Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Yolanda Muckle Team YouTube channel. I'm Yolanda Muckle.
And I'm Tanavia Greer.
And we're so happy today to have Asa Counsel of Prosperity Home Loans. She's going to tell everybody how they can buy a house with zero down.
Wow. I'm anticipating. I've already told so many people about it. So let's hear it, Asa.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we're going to talk about the new product that we have here at Prosperity Home Mortgage. It's our FHA product, and it's called the Home Advantage Zero Down. It allows a buyer to either do 3.5% or 5% grants. That will permit you to have zero down on your purchase. So the down payment would be covered. That is the 3.5% requirement for FHA. And if we did the 5% option, it allows you to get an additional 1.5% of your purchase price towards your closing costs, which helps you bridge the gap to closing significantly. The 3.5% to 5% grant, it's a 5-year grant, which means that you as a buyer would have to remain in the home for 5 years as your primary residence. After the 5-year period, that grant is fully forgiven and you would not have to pay it back. The grant is forgivable 20% each year. What that means to you, that means that each year, 20% of that debt goes away. So then if you, for example, stayed in a property for a period of 3 years, 60% of that debt would be gone and you would only owe 40%. So let's put that in numbers. If you got $10,000 as a grant, you decided after 3 years you wanted to move up into another property. This property now no longer is your primary residence. You would then owe the lender $4,000 of that $10,000 that they had given you if you only stayed in there for 3 years. This is an amazing, amazing product. It is going to help many buyers get into homes where they have down payment requirements that now will be satisfied through the grant. With the market being as competitive as it is, and I'm sure Yolanda and Tanavia can both speak on that, a lot of sellers are not giving contributions towards closing, which means it frees up the money you do have available to make more competitive offers. So that's one way that this program can assist you. Now, I'm sure you all are wondering, well, what do I need as a buyer to qualify? Well, first of all, you need a minimum of a 640 credit score to qualify. There is no income limits. Again, I will say no income limits. That too is amazing for a down payment program because most programs will have income limits based on the family household size. That includes any other adult living in a home with you who may not even take application. They would still be required to report their income for qualifying for most other products. With our program, that is not a problem. It will be only qualified on your own income, and there is no limit to how much you make. So that's one of the pluses there. Another plus is that we do high balance loans with this product, which means if you're in a high cost market, such as DC, you're in a high cost market in Maryland, which would be consistent of Montgomery County, Prince George's County, Charles County, Calvert County, and Frederick County. Those are all considered high cost markets. That means you could actually do a purchase up to about $832,000 with this product. This is definitely a first, and we are bringing it direct to you. Please contact Yolanda or Tanavia for additional information. And if you want to get qualified, they can definitely direct you to my website. Thank you.
Thank you, Asa. That was very informative. I'm ready to get on it right now. Let's get this video out so we can have tons of clients to serve.
Yes, I mean, we're talking no income limit. That is absolutely amazing. Most of these down payment programs, there's an income limit. So the mere fact that it's exclusive too. You know, everyone needs to know this is exclusive. If you need down payment assistance, you have to come to us, Asa Counsel, Prosperity Home Loans. This is unbelievable. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we can't wait to share this with everybody.
Thank you,
Have a
Yolanda.
great
Thank you,
day.
Tanavia.
You're
Thank you.
welcome, Asa. Talk to you soon.
All right.